Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. We're out at a job in Ayr, Ontario today, and we are doing some grout color restoration. And I wanted to show everybody a little bit about the grout color restoration. If you're not a believer in the grout color restoration, then this will be a good test for you. So we've basically done this area here, and it is fresh and it still hasn't cured 100% yet. But I'd just like to show you that this will never stain or discolor. It will never yellow, fade, chip, or peel. And the best part about it, it never has to be stripped off and reapplied. So as a worst case scenario, we can just color right over top of the color again. You can rub it in, you can leave it overnight, and this will always wipe up just with a wet cloth. Perfect every time. So maybe today is a good day for us to put a smile on your tile. Give us a call at 519-208-8533. Thank you and have a great day.